There's Brooke Buford. She's walking on top of the roof here. And this is Mark.
Hey, how you doing?
Up on the roof. We're getting ready to get some Isaac Rain footage. Okay, if we fall, we just have to blame Joy Howe. She's the one that sent us up here for assignment. The whole roof is just gaining more and more water, as you can see. Now we're going to go up these steps. Okay, watch our steps. Like my shoes. Okay, this is where we're going to get the footage. Okay, I have to hold the camera.
All right. Got it?
Okay, I got it.
All right.
We lost Brooke.
She's coming.
Brooke, where are you? We lost you.